Oh, good morning, good morning, good morning. What's good, Spion? What's good, Mark? Hey, let's go, bro. What's good? How you doing, brother? How do you feel now your exams are done, bro? Good shit. What's up, Max? How's it going? Chat, let me delete these markings. These from yesterday. Yeah, I had a busy morning, I can't lie. That's why I was here a little bit late. I've been up to some stuff. But yeah, what's good, Jar? How you doing, bro? Bro, you're here early. You don't normally pull up till a little bit later. What's good, man? Good, Adam. Hello. Good morning, man. Nice, chat. Nice. Good stuff. Welcome back. So, today is Tuesday. We have a good day today, to be honest. We have some we have retail sales news later on at 1:30. Yeah, which should bring some volume, which is nice. Off work today. Oh, that's huge. That's huge, Jar. Good shit. My birthday today. Hey, bro. Happy birthday, Jar. Good shit, man. Happy birthday. We'll play you happy birthday at the end of the stream. We'll play the tune. Good shit, brother. Yeah, man, many happy returns. Cool. Good AJ. Yeah, everyone say happy birthday to Jar, by the way. Good shit. Cool. Chat, drop a like if you haven't already. Appreciate you all very, very much. What's happening here, man? We're growing like crazy. Growing like crazy. So. Let's get into this breakdown right now. Why not? We'll get into the breakdown and then we'll reconvene and we can have a little chat together. But I want to get this breakdown done just so that we're ready. I was actually looking for sales at the 8 o'clock candle close, but it didn't form correctly. And now it's also not formed correctly on the 30 really. So yeah, I can't be taking that, especially at this level here. So on the weekly time frame, what are we seeing? Well, we can see obviously still that we've grabbed no top wick yet for the weekly. You would expect at some point that we need to do that. However, is that going to be towards the end of the week? I would say potentially. Depends on what we do today. But today's daily, we've come up, grabbed the top wick, and we have now flipped. And we're starting to flip and break the lows. So surely that would be an indication that we are good to push down to, I would say, at least 23.15. Obviously further, hopefully, but that's the next area where you might reject. So we have some room to drive here right now, is what I'm saying, in terms of sales. The daily's grabbed that top wick. We would have liked for it to grab that top wick for the weekly, but I don't believe that this is the push down right now. I believe that we have a push down, maybe a little bit to, let's say, 2304 areas. Then I believe that the weekly actually towards the end of the week will start to flip and we'll close sort of more bullish. If you did see the analysis that I placed on Sunday in the channel, in the broadcast channel on Instagram, you will see that I said something along these lines of us coming down first, and then coming back up to do that. So hopefully that all plays out. But yeah, that's that was the analysis on that one. Now on the 1 hour, sorry, let me do the 4. The 4 hours closing in an hour and a half, right? What do we see? We have a rejection area on the 4 at 23.16, which might be interesting. I think we need to close below there before we can start to take anything. So that's probably going to need to be on the 1 that we need to close below there first. Obviously, because that just comes up before the 4 hour close, right? That makes a lot of sense. But yeah, so because of that, any sells or any closures below 23.17 flat are going to be good for me to get these buys. Sorry, these sells all the way down. That should be let me just check again. Yeah, very, very valid level. Even if you do come down and close and then reject, you end up tapping 23.11, 23.13 areas anyway. So you definitely have some room, even if you do reject. But most of the times you start to fill down and tap these lower areas here, which is good. Massively important. Now, in terms of buys, what can we look for? Well, bearing in mind we've come up, grabbed a top wick, and flipped the bearish side on the daily, we're gonna have to be a little bit careful for buys. I would say anything above that 25.1 level is good for those buys. We'll be re-breaking the daily high. We'd also be closing outside this level here, and this is a level where we've rejected off of a lot of times in the past. Okay, it's quite a strong level. We took buys off this level the other day. It was good. But yeah, sorry, sells off this level. So that's a key level. So to be honest, that's a simple analysis there. We're going to take sells below 23.17 and buys above 23.25. Very, very simple. Hopefully that will make sense to you, chat. It should do. And yeah, man, we started the week off yesterday absolutely amazingly, right? We had one win on stream and then a win in the signals channel, which is huge. Just try and continue that momentum for the rest of the week. Cool, chat, cool. So that is that. Drop a like if you did enjoy that analysis. It should be, yeah, it should be pretty simple today. Very, very simple day. I've got 23.16.6 and 23.26.5 off the 30-minute. Yeah, fair play, bro. Shit. If it was off the 30, yeah, you probably have to drop it down a little bit, right? Yeah. Muted? Bro, I'm not muted. You scattered me out there. Just left there a little bit. Yeah, well, this level 2 and then, yeah. Oh, on the 30, yeah. I forgot about that. Yeah, nice. Cool, cool, cool. What's good, Aditya? How you doing, man? Good, Michael. Good morning. How are you, bro? Saw your message. Yeah, chat, we pushed up from this area quite a few times recently. Yesterday in the signals group, we had the cleanest entry for sales ever. We literally took sales from, I think it was here. This is our stop loss, right? It was actually higher up. Yeah, it was about there, I'd say, actually. And then something like this. Target was down here, right? But it came down no top wick on this 15, so we had to manage at this area somewhere up here. I can't remember where. But quite high up, so yeah, we had to manage, and then it ripped all the way down. But regardless, it was clean as fuck, those sales. Absolutely clean. $30-minute onion. Yeah, it was based off of, 30-minute onion. I think first we took it off the 15 fake out, actually. And then the 30-minute onion. But that brought us to our 50th win overall, chat, in the streaming signals since March, I'd say. So 50 wins, which is pretty insane. 5 losses. Can't complain. I was out with my girl for her birthday. Ah, fair enough, bro. It was actually my mum's birthday too yesterday. So, happy birthday to my mum. We went for a nice little meal. Crazy. Yeah, I got a question though, yeah? If you're out for a meal, hang on one sec. Someone's texting me. If you're out for a meal, right? So we went out for a meal and I got a steak, and this steak was expensive, okay? Like proper expensive. I got like a fucking, what's it called? What's that steak called? Like a tomahawk thing, kind of. Anyway, they cooked it wrong, yeah. I asked for it medium rare. They cooked it wrong. It was like pretty much well done. Alright, this is a fancy place as well. So I sent it back, yeah. And then it comes out again, and it was like, it was cooked okay, but the meat was like pretty shit. What do? Do you send it back a second time or no? 'Cause I'm too British. I think the second time I just ate it. I'm not gonna send it back a third time. I don't know if that's just me being too British or what, but I can't send that back a third time. That's just crazy. Trade's taken. Yeah, fair enough. Victory settings, fair enough. Scared they're gonna spit in it. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. After the second time, I'd be out of there, bro. Yeah, true. True. We move. It doesn't matter. But the point is, I wanted to know what you guys would do. Must have a dead chef, maybe. Oh, you need a thermometer to get that shit on point every time. Bro, yeah, that's true. I don't even have one where I can get it on point. But yeah, chat, cool. We got 16 minutes to this 1 hour close. So, can we end up closing below the level? Also, good news for you, chat. I've got a new video coming out today. It's a fucking banger. I can't lie. It's an absolute banger. I'm very, very excited for it. You guys are going to have to wait and see. Hopefully, it's going to be up like midday-ish. I'm not too sure. It might take a little bit longer, but that's fine. Yeah, man. It's going to be a cool video. It's essentially a productivity video, so it's going to help you pretty much fucking master productivity. Like a one-stop shop for all that shit. It's going to be huge. Let's see if it drives through our whole range now, bro. Trust me. Trust me. You should have room till at least, I would say, 2311, right? 2311... Yeah, you should. You should be good to come down to at least 2311. However, like Mr. Disturb said, it's very possible that we just rip through that entire range yet again. So I hope that we don't do that. I got 2313 for BE. Yeah, let's look at a break-even point actually. Where is my break-even point? Yeah, 2313 is decent. Just see. I think there was a rejection in the past back here though that I might have to go off of. Yeah, that's too close. 2314.7 is a little bit close. To be honest, there might not be a break-even point. It should fill the range every single time. 2313.6 actually. There might not be a break-even point, and then he finds it the very next second. Yeah, that'll be the break-even point. But chat, we also have to close below, right? That's the next important thing. However, 15's grabbed the top wick. If this 15 flips and the volume comes in, you might see it fill the range. But we have 13 minutes, okay, chat? So make sure you're locked in for that 1 hour closure in 13 minutes. We'll try and take advantage of that, right? We've got the daily flip on our side. We've got the fact that the 4 hour is pushing down as well. The only thing is essentially this level here, but you should be good to come down first. Once the 1 hour closes below, should be okay to come down and fill that range all the way down to 2311.6. Here in my garage, got this new Lamborghini here, but you know what? I like more than that money, knowledge. What's good, DK? How you doing, bro? What's good? What's good? Good, Oliver. Go with prime rib next time. Yeah, bro, but I like a little sirloin or a tomahawk or whatever it is. I like all of them, man. Good PC. Welcome back, brother. How are you? Doing good, my guy. Waiting for the current 1 hour close and woo wee. Yeah, bro. Trust me, we'll watch this shit fill the range right now. We've seen it before and we'll see it again, chat. Hopefully not right now, though. Prime rib is an American thing. I was going to say, I don't think I've ever seen prime rib on a menu. What is prime rib? Wagyu ribeye. Yeah, bro. Wagyu's fire. Wagyu's really, really nice. I've been eating 1 steak per day recently, though. Trying to boost that natural testosterone. 1 steak and like 5 eggs per day. It's actually working, I think. Just what they call roasting joints. Ah, fair enough. Good Tony, good morning, bro. Drop a like if you haven't already. Let's try to get to 50 likes if we can right now. Bro, yesterday, chat, we hit 3K like not too long ago, and now we're already pretty much at 3.1. 4K by the end of the month, maybe? Oh yeah, what did we say about 4K by the end of the month? What was the deal? Hit 4K by the end of the month, I'll give away... What? I didn't say what, right? I just said a fat giveaway. Yeah. I'll stand by that. Do a fat giveaway if we hit 4K. Dubs. Dubs indeed. Let's see though, chat. Can we get a nice closure here in 11 minutes? That would be unreal. Give away a Wagyu. Bro. That's funny. Or actually a whole cow. Bro, I know someone. I have like I think it's like my cousin or uncle or some shit, but they just buy like a whole cow every couple of months to eat. And that's it. They just put it in the fridge or the freezer or whatever. And that's what they're eating for the next X amount. Good Zulu, how you doing, bro? That's crazy. No, it's not. Loads of people do that. It's not the actual whole cow. Like the butcher like chops it up and shit. They don't actually just get the whole cow. They just call it that because it is literally all the meat off the cow. It's funny. Bro, there's no top wick on the hourly. Does it concern you that it might flip? Bro, after it closes, then Right, it closes in 9 minutes, so it can't flip once it's closed. So no, that doesn't concern me too much. Just looking in the past chart, what happens every time we close into this range, right? Every time we close into this range, we fill it down. Every single time. To at least 23.11, right? Here we filled it down. This time we closed in the range, we'd already filled it. This time, filled it. This time, close back into the range, fill it down. This time again, close back in, all the way down. This time again, all the way down. This time, all the way down. And this time we rejected still, but we still filled the range all the way down first before we pushed. This is the only time that we haven't done it. We only came down to 23.13.8, and that's why that's our break-even point. But even though we didn't, we still came up, grabbed the top wick, and then filled it down. So you should be good to go here. Should be good to fill the range. So obviously need the right formation. Break-even point gives us about 18 pips, sorry, right now, I think. Yeah, 18 pips, around that area. It doesn't let me join the Discord server. What can I do for it? It should do, bro. It should do. Just bro, you should be good. If not, man, use this link that I'm about to send in now. Use that one, and then that's the, like, the store page, right? But if you go to the free section right here and click that, you'll be able to join the Discord. Simple. Chat, 7 minutes here. Lock it in a little bit. That's a good point, chat. Whilst it's being mentioned, join the Discord if you haven't already. Completely free. Very, very valuable, I would say. Always people discussing stuff in there. Everyone's always willing to help you out. And yeah, man. Good positive vibes all around. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Hit the 15-minute flip below. Hey, let's go, Jay. Good stuff. That break even right now? Might have even closed. Have the stream in the background. W discipline, you know. Yeah, appreciate it. Good trade though. Good shit. Down to buy a cow and cook it with beans, maybe. Crazy. Six minutes, chat. Potential here. Definitely potential, so make sure you stay locked in. I wonder if whoever's got that Telegram bot, we're going to start getting a shitload of views when we start saying lock it in and there's potential for a trade. Every time, chat. Every time I start saying, yeah, there's potential here, let's look for this entry, or like lock it in, chat, the views just spike out of nowhere. So we're pretty sure that there's like a Telegram bot that's like watching people's streams out there. Someone's got an AI set up watching us to say if he says the words lock it in, chat, then everyone goes and watches. Five minutes. The other question is there going to be enough volume for us to take a trade? You'd hope the answer is yes. Hang on, I'm going to put this whilst I load up my broker. I think it's on this screen. There you go, smart boy. Alright, cool. You guys just get to see my entire face right now. There you are, we're back. We're back. Good stuff. How was everyone's Monday though, chat? Everyone have a good Monday? We take some dubs? We take some L's, some break evens. What do we take? Look at 20 pip L on Monday. That's alright, that's minor. One BE trade, same entry as you, different management. Yeah, fair play, bro. Yeah. The BE was valid there. I was happy to get away with the so you're talking about the signals trade, right? Because I was happy to get away with some positive pips there because I was very much expecting us to hit break even. We were literally going like, the candle was going like up and down like that. Like it was like moving like 3-4 pips at a time. I was like, nah, we're getting hit break even here. But yeah, it came down enough that we closed our position. So definitely, I don't think break even was bad there, to be on. Good shit. Got 17 pips on my history exams. Hahaha, I'm so funny. This guy. This guy, man. 17 pips is not good enough, man. You need at least 90 pips. 90% on your history exams, man. Best is 20, bro. Oh, okay. Well then, that's good then. All right, I'll give you that. That is nearly 90%. You got 85% then if you got 17. Yeah. Huge. Dubs. That 2 minutes disclosure, please can we pull back a little bit? We need us to form a bottom wick here. So essentially what we're looking for, if you don't know how we trade, if you're new. Actually, for all of you. We need this 1 hour candle right now to pull back a little bit and form a bottom wick. It doesn't have to be big, but just some form of a bottom wick would be great. If it can do that, and then the next candle comes up and makes itself a top wick before flipping, then that's what we'll look to get into, man. Very important that we form it exactly like that, though. It's very, very important. If it doesn't form correctly, chat, again, we can't be taking it, right? Just how it works. I think something like this is okay. Let's see what happens here, though, chat. 1 minute. Lock it in here. Lock it in, man. Shit, we're going to push last minute of the candle, aren't we? We are indeed, chat. We are indeed starting to push here. Need a little pullback. Oh, there you go. Thank you, Mr. Gold. What stop's going to be here, chat? Stops? Oh, stops are a little bit tough. I have to put stops above the previous hourly. Stops are going to be at 23.23, right? The reason for that is the previous hourly had no top wick, or this current hourly, right? Once it closes, it's going to have no top wick. So for any given point, right, this 1 hour could flip up, grab a top wick for this, and then flip down. So if I put my stops here, there's a very high chance that if it did come up, you'd get stopped out before it did that, you know. But let's see though, chat. We've got 3 seconds to the close. What's going to happen here? Okay, and it's just fucking hell. Well, there's that one, chat. Yes. Thank you, gold. Exactly as we asked it to be. Perfect. That was the perfect open for that candle. Wow. I'm so glad gold did that. Very, very happy. Oh man. Yeah, swiping, no swiping, man. Honestly, that is not ideal. See what happens here, though, chat. We need some more closures now, though, unfortunately. It's great because we get to spend some time together. Yeah, 30-minute onion right now would be great. If we can start to come up here, close, bearish 30-minute. Should be good, but it's just, yeah, we're going to have to wait now. Thing is, we will come up right now and make a top, well, not right now, but we will come up during this candle and make a top wick. I'm pretty sure. I mean, probability states we should, right? It's just, yeah. Obviously, no entry there. I saw it start to come down. I was like, oh, it's okay. You know, should be good. And then, yeah, man, broke the lows like a motherfucker. Passed my last account with your trade yesterday. GG. Hey, Quartet, let's go, bro. That's huge. That's fire. Good shit. That's really good to hear, man. Huge, huge, huge. Creed's back. What's good, Creed? Good morning, good evening to the wonderful traders out here. May you all have an awesome day today. Wishing you all the best of luck. Let's go, man. Positive vibes. I love it. I got a love-hate relationship with gold, man. I love how it just gives me hope and then kills it at the last step. Trust me. Gold is what's good, Axel, by the way. But yeah, gold is fucked sometimes. Sometimes gold plays lovely. Like yesterday, it was perfect. Wick entries and like it was just forming top wicks first and flipping. But yeah, nice. The old gold's back. And then today we see this, right? But yesterday, literally, I was telling myself the old gold's back. We should be good. To the cowboy strat, no top wick, entry at the flip and ride that bad boy up. Yeah, man. Sure. Huge though, Quartet. That's fire, bro. I'm glad you passed that account with that trade. I have to make a post about that. Dubs. Dubs, dubs, dubs. Yeah, we're just pushing here. Nothing we can do, right? But no FOMO either. You understand when you don't have the entry, you can't have FOMO. And that's the wonderful thing about sticking to your plan in trading. The wonderful thing is, if you understand that you have a plan and you have a set criteria that you need for each entry, if it doesn't come, you can't have FOMO because you had no entry. Now, if you miss your entry or if the entry formed perfectly and you didn't take it because you were too scared or whatever, then that's a different story, okay? Then you can start to say, all right, I need to be taking these. But if you know, were waiting, the entry didn't form how you wanted it to, and then it drove without you, there's no possibility for you to have FOMO because you couldn't get the entry there. It's not your entry type. Move this down. Not bad. Like this now. But yeah, you understand what I mean, chat? This is why I tell you to follow your plan, because it's not just about the fact that you'll probably get a higher win rate, which you will if you follow your plan. You'll also have your emotions in check more. Completely will. Read my comments, G. Sorry, Creed. I guess if this 1 hour doesn't make a top wick, then wick entry buyers would be nice from 2310 to 2312.3. Well, 2312 to 2317. What do you say, G? I don't take buyers like that, bro. You can, but I don't really do that. That's like trying to catch a falling knife a little bit. You know what I mean? Previous week, POC is at 2314. We have another Dan in the chat. What's good, bro? Point of control. I remember looking at that a while back. Yeah. Okay. Is that like, it's 50%, isn't it? Pretty much. Yeah, it is. Yeah, this is definitely a good area for a bottom wick on the weekly. It's just, you know, I mean, we came down further than this yesterday and we've started to reject, so I feel like we need to come down further on this daily. Or at least to where we came down yesterday. We just didn't end up getting that entry that we wanted, but it doesn't mean that we won't come down, right? The market doesn't care about whether or not we have our entry. Chat, also, I wanted to say, if any of you are US traders out there, ACG have a 30% sale on because they bought US accounts back. So you can get a funded account with Alpha Capital Group if you're from the UK. Right there, use code SG. Get the maximum discount. And yeah. When are you going to Monaco? Fuck, when am I going to Monaco? Get my calendar. I think it's like middle of July or something. I don't know. Can't remember. Somewhere around then, Mark. Take me with you, bro. Okay, I got you. Put you in my suitcase, yeah? You'd probably fit, to be honest, G. But cool, chat. So, what we're going to do here is we're going to wait for the next 30-minute candle, see how that closes. The other option is, if we get the next 30-minute candle closing like this, and the next one opens and grabs the top wick, and then reflips, we could take the reflip of that 30 candle, right? Haven't changed your code, brother. It's 20%. Oh yeah, no, sorry. You have to use the what's that code? Just click on that link, but then there's a code somewhere. It's like hang on. It's on my Instagram too. It doesn't matter if you use my code or not. I don't care. I just want to get you guys the biggest discount. USA back, right? That's the code. You get 30% off with that. USA back. $697 for a 200k, not bad at all. Yeah, that's not bad, bro. It's actually decent. Yeah, I've also been testing out Arctic funding recently as well. They're like newer, but I know their owner, Nikolai, sorry. Bro, they have an interesting platform. You can trade on Trade Locker with them. So this is why I'm testing them out, because apparently I heard Trade Locker was sick. Yeah, like look, basically, yeah, you just have Trading View on your chart. You can literally do the exact same shit as Trading View. Like, everything. Kind of crazy. And then if you want to execute, you just place the order there. Kind of mad. They do 100% profit split. What the fuck? Yeah, bro. That's why I like them. They have 100% profit split, and they have a one phase account too. Nice. Damn. Yeah, we got 18 minutes here. Let's see what happens. Let's try and lock it in a little bit. And focus up. Yeah, man. But there's the link, by the way, if you want the Arctic funding link. So if you want to check them out. What's the profit split on ACG? It's 80%, I think. Yeah, it's 80-20. I think it gets upgraded at some point. Either way, chat, funded should be a tool for you guys to increase your personal account. I've been saying this for the longest time, yeah, and then I started seeing it on Twitter recently. I was like, oh, really? But I've been saying for the longest time that personal account is 10 times better than a funded. And, crazy. Yeah, I've been saying for the longest time that a personal account's better than a funded. And everyone's like, meh, all these funded guys are going crazy, like, but I'm not trading my own capital, I've got nothing at risk, all that shit. And now I started seeing all these funded people talking about how good a personal account is. I was like, oh, now you realize. Bless you, bro. Thank you. Gesundheit. Thank you. Yeah, it's mad. All right, guys, we've got 12 hours and 47 minutes to the daily close. Let's lock it in a little bit. Yeah, fair play, Jules. You got me. You got me. What's good, Jules? Nah, but chat, you know what I'm saying, right? There's multiple stages of locked in here, right? 30 minutes, 15 minutes. We're staying a little bit focused. We're watching where it's moving. But yeah, when it gets closer, we'll get even more locked in. That 4 hour looks beautiful, bro. I know, man. It looks lovely for a nice little closure below. We have room. If we close below, again, we have room till 23.11. 23.11 right now is the decision area that needs to be tapped. Good shit though, stay focused. Yeah, always, always. Push in here, chat. No FOMO. If we break the lows, you might drive. 15's about to close too. Okay, chat. 15 closed here. Yeah, just breaking the lows again. It's just driving no top wicks. It's just... I thought we had old gold back where it made top and bottom wicks, but apparently not. Apparently not. Volume coming in though, maybe, which would be great. We need some more volume right now. Gold is taking a dump again, just like yesterday. Yeah, bro. It's the exact same move as well, from the exact same point, pretty much, which is very interesting. I mean, it's just this wider range, right? The wider range is between 23.11 and 23.25. So, I mean, look, at least our analysis was on point. That's the main thing. We didn't get the entry, yes, because it didn't form correctly, but the analysis was on point, no? You trade EU? I used to. Not anymore. Not anymore. I'm just focused on gold right now, to be honest. But yeah, cool. So, what's the move right now, chat? Well, we need to see, obviously, how this 30-minute close is. If it's not off this 30-minute close, then we're going to have to wait for the 4-hour, right? Because obviously, you know, 42 minutes till that closes. The next 30-minute close, it'll be 30 minutes to the 4-hour. And we don't really want to be taking a trade just before the 4-hour close, so we'd probably have to wait for that. But that's a good thing too, because that's going to give us an overall sense of direction that we wouldn't have had before, right? Right now, the 4-hour was still respecting this level, right, before we closed. If we close down here like we're looking to, then we're pretty good to continue down to the bottom of the range. But yeah, this previous 4 was still respecting. Whilst we were at this level here, it could have rejected at any point. Absolutely any point. Do you think gold will drive down to 2300 today? I think 2300 is quite a tough target, to be honest. I think that's quite far. I'm not saying it can't, right? If the daily breaks those lows, then yeah, it could do. Not unrealistic on the weekly either, but it's just quite far away, and you have a lot of support and you have a lot of rejections around this area here at 2311 and then even 2303, right? But I suppose, yeah, if you start to push down here, then I don't see why not. You need to close below 2307 first, then you need to close below 2303, and then you'd probably be good to push down. But yeah, it's possible. I would say the most likely thing is that we stay within this range between 2307 and 2325. I'd say that's the most likely thing. But then again, I can't predict where the market's going to go, right? It's just a pure guess. All we do is we wait for it to go somewhere, wait for our confirmations, and then we take our entries, right? We don't... I mean, yeah. Morning, She. What's good, Dan, bro? How you doing, man? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Bottom of the pennant should give support around 2303. I don't really trade pennants, bro, but yeah, that's around the same area that we have, right? 2303-ish. This hay fever's killing me right now. I don't know if the flowers are doing a madness and shooting it through my window or whatever, shooting pollen through my window, but having a right go. Good, mate, just hit shoulders and arms. How are you? Jeez, man, bro's locked in already. Shoulders and arms, huge. I'm good though. I'm good. I'm very good, thanks. Yeah, I think I'm gonna hit chest today with the boys. I'm going to try and see if I can get them there early, though, because I've got work to do. A good point, actually. Burned. Yeah, did you guys just get disconnected, or what? What just... Did we just freeze or something? Because my OBS just said it... Just randomly disconnected and reconnected. That's so weird. So did it just lag, or did you get kicked out? Okay, short freeze. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, my OBS literally just decided to fucking disconnect and reconnect randomly. But as long as you guys didn't all get like kicked off stream, then that's good. Fine. Nah, my bad, chat. My bad. 17 seconds. Crazy. Normal for YouTube of late. Yeah, I know, bro. YouTube's... Actually, I don't want to say anything, just in case. Today is a quad day. What's good, Rajesh? Bro, quad day, nice. Bro's focused solely on his quads. You're going to have tree trunk legs. I hit legs yesterday. It was a bit of a tough leg session, I can't lie. It was a bit lackadaisical from me. But we got it done, right? At least we went through the motions. Right, you missed my chat. Bro, PC, my bad. What's your view, mate? What's my view? We just explained it, but I'm just waiting for this 30-minute close in 5 minutes here to see what happens. I want to see if we can come up, grab a top wick, and then flip bearish on the 30-minute. But we'd have to grab a top wick for the previous. If not, then we'll wait for the 4-hour close, and that'll just be a simple top wick flip entry. I believe at some point today we have to tap into 2311. Not today. Some point soon we have to tap into 2311, right? So that's essentially what the position is going to be based off of. We've seen quite a push up from the support, yeah, but we haven't tapped into the support yet. The support's at 2311. And also, when the daily is looking like it is, we are... There's always potential that you just push through the support, right? There's always potential. Have you taken any trades, sir? No, not yet. No trades yet. We're hunting, though. Chat crazy. We're literally 10 subs off 3.1k. Fucking ridiculous growth. Are you taking any supplements for now? I'm actually not, bro. But I used to take creatine, but I got too inconsistent with it. I should really take a multivitamin as well, just for health, but I don't. Yeah. I really should, but I'll get back on it. I'm probably going to take a B12 injection today. If there's one in stock. They're pretty sick. The only thing that I don't like is that the weekly has no top wick, but everything else looks clean. Yeah. No, that is the issue. It's just, yeah, I mean, with the daily looking as it is, you'd probably expect us just to continue a push. Yeah, if we start to reject and flip, then maybe. But right now, that B12 flip is, B12 flip, that weekly flip is not looking like it's going to happen today. At the minute, currently. Obviously, everything can change later, but yeah. Why B12 injection? Because you'd have to ask someone who knows more, but apparently you get a lot more out of it, right? You get, I think it just works better, essentially. Wait, build B12 injection over tablets. Yeah. So it says that according to research, the body only absorbs 1.3% of an oral dose, which is basically a tablet. On the other hand, absorption rates from injections are around 55 to 97%. You're getting like 55 to 97 times the amount of B12 being absorbed. So that's why it obviously works way more. But you must take the proper B12. Yeah. Well, yeah, no, yeah, I will. Of course. Eat meat and you'll get it naturally. Yeah, but I eat a shitload of meat anyway. It's just an extra supplementation, right? I need gold to close below 2312.6. Yeah, sorry, we need to lock in. 2312.6. Yeah. Yeah, right. On the 30, yeah, that'd be huge, but the advantage point is not very big right now. I don't really think I can take anything here, chat. I'm pretty sure we're already going to tap into the target area. Was there even an entry on the 15? No, not really. Maybe no, not even. Yeah, chat, this is tough. So unless we close below 2311.6. But yeah, there's nothing I can take here, chat, unfortunately, because we just tapped into that zone there. So we're gonna have to wait for the 4-hour close in 30 minutes time. Pixelize. Nah, not quite, not quite. We'll stay on for a little bit longer. We need a pullback now, realistically. Yeah, or just a big top wick. Oh, that's an ugly closure as well. An ugly opening. Chat, realistically though, the way that gold's been moving, I see this could just rip all the way down. It's done this before, especially when it closes just at the level. Obviously, it could just respect the level and continue upwards, but it could just fucking rip all the way down. So funny, whenever I say, like, we need to wait for the next closure, there's like 15 people that just drop off. Fine, I don't care, but it's just funny. Yeah, clean to the most recent, yeah, lower highs as well, bro. I guess the other option is a play similar to the other day, right? Where we reject off this level right now. We took buys the other day. Basically, if this 30 can come and close bullish, like quite strongly bullish, then you could essentially take buys off of a 30-minute onion play, expecting the 4-hour to make a top wick, and that 1 hour to make its or it to make a top wick for the previous 1 hour, right? That wouldn't be a bad play. Do you use trend lines in your trading? No, I don't. I don't. Any trades taken today? Not yet, sir. Not yet, my friend. No, sir. See, look at that, though. Strong rejection off this level. Obviously, it's very early into the candle, but the point stands, right? We could start to reject here, and that'd be decent. We could catch a mirror of a play like this, right? This is actually... I swear we caught buys here the other day. How did we catch them? Yeah, we caught these buys. Exactly like this. At 23.13 to push up to the top of the range. I think we also caught these here as well. So... obviously, the daily is quite bearish, and that might be an issue. depending on how the 4-hour closes, if this 30-minute can push up and we can close above somewhere like 23.13, we could look to take some rather aggressive buys to continue up to the top of the range to make that 4-hour top wick, or we'll wait and see if we grab a top wick and then flip and get a 4-hour sells. But definitely still potential, right? So don't go anywhere. Stick around. Drop a like if you haven't already. Let's try to get to 100 likes if we can today. Appreciate you all. And yeah, man, that's all she wrote. That's all we're gonna wait for. If you have any questions in the meantime, right? We have a lot of time to discuss. So yeah, what's your POV on GU, mate? Fucking hate GU. The woeful pair. Those look clean though. Yeah, short that shit. I'm joking, bro. I'm joking. Don't take that as a signal. But those cells do look clean as fuck. What the hell? This all-time highs? Oh no, it's not. Yeah, I don't know, man. I can't give you a proper accurate analysis because obviously I don't trade GU, right? So I don't want to give you anything. I also don't know about like what it's done in the past or how it moves. You know, I know how gold moves because I've watched it so often. I don't trade GU, so I can't tell you how it moves or whether it respects areas or whatever. So I just know that it just closed below a level and that's about it. Or this could just be bottom wick for the daily. Yeah, it could be. It could be. Realistically, I just think we'll range for a while on gold. Maybe until news later, or maybe until the end of the week when we start to make those pushes that we have been doing. Alright? We have some news later on today at 1:30. We have, yeah, retail sales, cool retail sales. Tomorrow, nothing, which is good. Oh, it's a bank holiday tomorrow. Okay. US bank holiday. That's interesting. Then unemployment claims on Thursday, and what is it? PMI on Friday. Interesting. Streaming tomorrow? Yeah, of course. Yeah, I'll be streaming tomorrow. Yeah, just because it's a US bank holiday, London will still be good, right? And the European markets are open. So yeah, we'll be good. New York isn't even open right now, and price is pushing, right? So we'll be fine. You used to trade EU though, didn't you? Sure. When I started watching you were. Yeah. No, I did used to trade EU. Yeah, it's a good pair. Good pair. GU, I don't know if they're the same. They might be. Yeah, man. I really can't wait until bro, I just keep thinking about how this community is going to look in like a 6 months time or a year's time. Everyone's getting to the point where the people who've been in the community since the start are now becoming profitable. They're like, you know, starting to make some serious money. A lot of people are passing funded challenges. Imagine in 6 months time when like a lot more people are doing that. The community is going to be insane. Discord's just going to be full of people in fucking, I don't know, different countries trying to link up or trying to take trips. It's going to be crazy. Already have people in the coaching group, like, we're already trying to organize trips and shit when we get certain trade milestones, and yeah, man. It's going to be sick. W community, thanks, Max. Yeah, no, it really is a fucking good community, bro. It really is, like, absolutely love it. Cigars, yes sir. WU Atomic Habit, what's good, bro? How you doing, man? Coconut Neo, we need to do that, yeah. Trendline strip would be crazy. It will happen one day, I promise. Come on, I'm sick of poker. This guy doesn't even know how to play. W community for sure. I appreciate you, Remy. Just join the YouTube and Discord community. W stream so far. Thanks, bro. Appreciate that, Mr. Ogley. Cool name. So the most chilled out one too, bro. That's important though. Yeah, that's important. You don't want like fucking beef in the chat or anything like that. That's a big thing. Like we've never actually had beef in the fucking chat, which is sick. I like that. No like people shitting on each other for trade ideas. No one saying this, like that. Seriously, there's basically no toxicity. Yeah, I know, bro. It's so rare. Yeah, you're right. You're 100% right. Really cool to see, man. It's really, really cool to see. Not yet. Wait until the EU group stages have been done. Yeah, bro. Trust me. All good, because England are going to win it. Without a doubt. It's OG Lee. Oh, okay, bro. My bad. My bad. That makes more sense. Yeah, I don't know why I read it like that, bro. Ugly. I'm going to call you ugly now from now on. Nah, I'm playing. Nah, mate, we will. Who's we? I presume the Netherlands from your name. That'd be my guess. Yeah. I don't think so. I don't think so. I need to go to the Netherlands soon, actually. One of my friends lives in Leiden. I need to go visit him. So maybe... I know there's a shitload of people in here from the Netherlands who are... Yeah, we could link up or some shit. I don't know. Not seen Potter Gang in a minute. Yeah, trust me, bro. Trust me, they're gonna come out now. Yeah. Or didn't Mbappe get like smashed up last night or something? He got his like nose broken. I don't know. Visit Amsterdam, I'll get you a beer. Bro, I've been to Amsterdam many times, but yeah, for sure. We can do that. Bro, my friend lives in Leiden, which is like, I think it's like 20 minutes away from Amsterdam, 30 minutes, so we'll definitely pull up. But chat, we have 18 minutes to this 4-hour close right now. Are we going to close below this 2311 level? If we do, if we close below this 2311 level, chat, we have clean traffic down to at least 2307. Realistically, even 2303, right? Only issue might be stops. Ugh. I'm gonna look to see if I can take it off of yeah, we'll see what when it comes to stops, we'll see. Maybe we can even get a wick entry. Who knows? Dumping sites towards downside, boy. I don't know what that means, but yeah, it is fucking pushing down. 100%. God, do you trade fixed lot or percentage risk? So funnily enough, yeah, I've just recently changed. So for the longest time, I traded percentage risk. Now I'm trading fixed lots. Actually, on some fundeds, I trade percentage risk. But now on my personal, I just switched to fixed lots just to test it out. I want to test it out because I have a few theories. Also might start stacking a little bit more. I prefer fixed, to be fair. Yeah, it's each to their own, right? It's literally personal preference, but I think both can have their merits. Both can be good. You know what I realized as well the other day? Someone was telling me that I should, like, basically, someone was saying that you shouldn't use pips, you should use RR in terms of, like, how much you've made, right? So, for example, if you take a loss, it's 1 RR. You take a, like, these fucking ICT traders or whatever say that each win is, like, 2 RR, etc. But that just means they're doing percentage risk, right? So they could realistically have positive RR over a certain amount of trades and still be losing money. It makes no sense because they claim that they're profitable due to the RR, but it doesn't. The RR, the actual amount you're risking per trade changes. So weird. Anyway, doesn't matter. Now that you're trading fixed, will you decrease your position size if your stop loss is over a certain pip amount? No. No, I would. What would you recommend as a good lot size for a 5k account? Ridwan, do you mean a 5k personal account or a 5k funded? It's a very big difference, right? If you're talking a 5k funded account, you've got $500 of drawdown per day. You want to be taking 1% risk, which is $50. So you need a 0.1 lot, realistically, if your stops are 50 pips. I'd be popping a 0.1 lot if I were you, bro. But if it's a 5k personal, that's a different story. You can risk a little bit more, right? I wouldn't get a funded account unless it's a 100k account. Yeah, each to their own, right? But I would say anything below 25k is probably a bit of a waste. Not a waste, but it's a lot of effort for what you're doing. But Ricky, it depends on people's income, right? The amount of money they have to spend. Because if you don't have $1,000 to put into a personal account, then you may as well buy a 5k funded or a 10k funded. Just depends. It really does depend. I'm on a 20k just to learn trading. Yeah, see, that's fine. Yo, just started trading a few days ago. Need some guidance. It'd be highly appreciated. What's good, Nasir? Welcome. You're in the right place, my friend. You're in the right place. What you need to do, Nasir, is you need to go to this link right here that I'm about to send you, right? Yeah, Speons beat me to it. This guy's actually the mod god. This guy's goated. Go click on that link, right? This is my free course. It's on YouTube, so you can just watch that in its entirety. Okay? Go and watch that. That's going to give you everything about my strategy. And then, once you've watched all of them, do that today. Take notes. It shouldn't take you too long. And then come back to the stream tomorrow. Or stay for today, obviously. But come back tomorrow. And then just come every day. And ask questions. Be inquisitive. If you're trying to learn, you have to ask questions, right? So, just, yeah, figure everything out through asking me, is what I'm trying to say. Thank you, dude. Nah, all good, man. All good. Wait, 4-hour close. Yeah, 4-hour close, man. But if this 30-minute can close strong bullish, then yes, I'm considering an onion play. Yeah, watching, bro. What's good, Robbie? Welcome back, my friend. Don't know, right? We have to wait and see how it opens, Mark. But yeah, if it closes bullish on the 30, that would also mean that the 4-hour would probably be respecting this area here at 23.12, 23.13. Then we can look for buys upwards, right? But if we close where we are right now, it's a little bit tough. Onion play is break of last candle high. I play the onion play a bit differently. We play it like a flip almost. That's how I've always done it, and it works. But yeah, you can take it off the high too, but I like to take it off the flip sometimes, especially if you've got a big bottom wick, because if you flip, you're most likely to fill the wick anyway. For SG, could you give my cousin some advice in general life and girls? He's 24 and gets rejected from all the girls he asks out, and he feels like he's not wanted. Your cousin, yeah? I'm playing Robbie. Well, I don't know anything about the guy, but he should get rich. He should get ripped before he thinks about girls. Who cares about girls if you're not where you want to be in life? Yeah, go to the gym, get in good shape, make sure your hygiene's good, and make money. He's overweight. Well, there you go, bro. That's number one reason. I hate to be mean or whatever and crude, but it's the number one reason. It's just life, unfortunately. And it's not even about the fact that girls don't like overweight guys, right? Because some girls do or whatever. Most girls don't. But the point is, if you're overweight, you're not going to be confident. You gotta have self-confidence. That's the number one thing that girls like. Not that girls like. I don't want to be one of those people that's like girls like this, girls like that, because I hate those guys on Instagram. But the point stands, right? You need to be confident in yourself. You need to be true to yourself. Just be exactly where you want to be in life, right? You'll start attracting girls when you start doing what you want to do and start living life how you want to live it. Stop masturbating, bro. Scale, what's good, bro? That's a good one as well. That is a good one. He's not overweight, he's bulky and thinks it's all about the mindset. Yeah, trust me. Fluidity, what's good? I caught the drop, still holding. Good stuff, man. I like it. Nice. Got 9 minutes to this 1 hour close here. Okay, SG, I have to fly away. I have to buy lambs today, so see you tomorrow. Again, best of luck for today. Where's buying lambs? Crazy. In a bit, Creed. Have a good one, man. Right, but yeah, Robbie, to go back to that question, because I do like that question. It's a good one. He's 6'3" as well. It'll be easy then. Tyler, what's this receipts thing? I've been reading about this. It's the one thing that I'm not clued up on. Lambs to USD goes crazy, trust me. Estrogen. Oh shit, fair. That's crazy. I just googled it, yeah. So if he's confident with himself, bro, and makes money, right, he gets a lot of eye contacts one day, and for a week he gets no eye contact. And when he asks girls out, they are nice to him and rejects. Thanks, bro, by the way, he's with me and listening. He's with us right now. Yeah, bro. Depends how you're going up to the girls as well, but realistically, you've just got to be, hi mate, what's good? Just be confident in yourself, fucking lock in, focus on yourself first. Don't worry about girls until you're where you want to be. I would say, do you have the physique that you want to have? The answer is probably no. Do you have as much money as you want to have? The answer is probably no. Are you as confident as you could be? The answer is probably no. You know, is your hygiene and your self-care as good as it is? The answer is probably no. As much as it's hard to hear, you just gotta like do all that shit, and then yeah, man. Be confident. Be a nice person. Be polite. All that good stuff. Don't be a dick to girls, but don't be too nice either. A very simple game though. Once you start to become the man that you want to become, then you start to get the women that you want. At the same time, I want a girl to be on the journey with me though, you know? Yeah, very true, bro. You don't have to have the money yet or have the fucking the perfect physique. Girls like to see that you're like working towards something. They want a man with a purpose. They want someone who they can invest in long term. Like, a lot of girls think a lot further in the future than we do. Right? Like, a lot of guys will think, oh, she's fit, whatever, you know? But girls will be thinking, like, or some girls, the right girls will be thinking, do I see a future with him? Is he going to be able to provide for me and a family down the line? All that shit. So as long as you're working towards that and they believe that you can achieve it, then yeah. Like, I didn't have a shitload of money when I met my girl. But she knew that I was hardworking. I was going to the gym every day. I was focused on my goals. And I think that's probably what did it, you know? That's a good point though, Max. A good point. Yeah, and you don't want... That is another thing. When you get to that point, you should probably have a girl before you get... Just fucking completely lost my train of thought. Before you get the money and before you get like millions or whatever, because then you'll get gold diggers. But, you know... What's up, brother? A bit late to the party, but at least I'm here. Great advice. What's good, Dion? Nah, you're all good, bro. You're all good. We're still waiting for this 4-hour close here in 4 minutes. We're just locked in. Well, we weren't locked in, but we're just talking about some life advice for the boy Joshua here. But yeah. What's your take on time frames? I find it hard to choose because, wait, they all have different information. You have to use all of them, right? We go from the weekly all the way down to the 30 minutes, sometimes the 15 too. Understand that the higher time frame, the better the confirmation is. So a 4-hour closure is way stronger than a 1-hour closure. And likewise with the 1 hour and the 30, right? One's stronger than the other. So you have to understand that. But then you have to build a picture of all of them. I wouldn't go below the 15. I actually wouldn't go below the 30 if you're just starting out. Yeah, just use it all, build a picture, and then that's essentially it, right? But chat, drop a like if you haven't already. Massively appreciate it. Let's try to get to, I don't know, 125 likes today. That'd be huge. I'd massively appreciate that from all of you. And yeah, man, it's this community is growing so fast. It's fucking incredible. We're all here to help each other. Like we just had, man. We just had some guy come in and say that he's having like issues with rejections from girls or whatever, and no one said, like no one laughed at him or whatever. No one said anything bad. Literally instantly, everyone's helping out, which I fucking love about this community. It's top tier. It's literally a next level community. So I'm very grateful for that, and definitely a good place to be if you're just joining. So yeah, stick around, all that good stuff. I'm very grateful. Cheers, bro. So finally, is eye contact a thing? Like, can you tell if girls are attracted though, or should I ignore it? Like, my colleague gets so much attention when he makes eye contact. Yeah, eye contact's a difficult one, bro. Because yes, you have to have eye contact. You can't just like look at them and then look away. You should never really be the first one to look away. But then at the same point, you need to be careful if you need to be careful you're not staring at a girl, you know. And that depends on whether she's attracted to you as well. If you're staring at a girl and like looking deep in her eyes, if she's attracted to you, she's gonna like it. And if she's not, she's gonna think you're a weirdo. So, just, you know, you gotta try and just listen. I can't tell you a one size fits all situation. You just have to, you know, literally feel out the situation. We're grateful for you too. I appreciate that, Cheryl's position, man. I appreciate that. We're talking about live today, no trading. Now wait, let's see. This 30-minute counter, bro, I know it's fucked. The program you're using, is there fees, and do I have to use crypto to trade? Just open an account. Nah, you don't have to. You don't have to at all. You can deposit with anything, and then you can trade just, you know, gold, etc. But they'll double your deposits if you, whatever you deposit, they'll double it, right? You're talking about the brokerage, right? Like Hero FX or what are you talking about? But chat, 1 minute here. I'm gonna lock it in a little bit. I'm gonna stop answering questions just for a second. Yeah, man. Let's see. 1 minute to this 4-hour close. We need to close below this 23.11 level. Or the 30 needs to close fucking strong bullish, which I don't think is as likely, right? Yeah, man, let's see. 4 is technically closing below where it needs to close, which is good. If it I mean, actually right here it's respecting, which is not the ideal. Yeah, no, you can do your card or crypto. It's fine. Either one is fine for deposits. But yeah, man, you can do whatever, and then just open an account. But yeah, whatever you deposit in there, say you put $1,000 in there, they'll make it 2,000 for you. They'll literally double it, just as a sign-up bonus. "20 seconds here. Are we going to close above or are we going to close below?" "14 seconds. Slap your 100k in there, yeah. Yeah, we closed below. Good stuff. We come up and grab a top wick? Or are we going to drive down no top wick? It doesn't really want to make a it doesn't want to make a top wick. Let's see what happens here, chat. Because right now there's nothing I can take. If we break these lows right now, it might be a little bit chalked. It might be a little bit chalked. Yeah, it's just a bit tough. Assuming you're from the UK, how do you withdraw it out as GBP? The main withdrawal is crypto, I think. But I like that anyway, because then you don't have to pay it. Actually, can I say that? You know what I'm thinking about, but yeah, I don't know if I can say that. Chat, we made a small top wick here. I don't think I can take anything right now. Don't say it. I know, I stopped myself there. I can't lie. My fucking lawyer's brain just absolutely kicked into action there and just was like almost telling my client not to say it. You don't have to answer that question. Yeah, they are a little bit disturbed. I was going to ask you about that question. I need an accountant. Yeah, you do need an accountant, bro. You do. Chat, if we come up now and make a bigger top wick and then flip on this 1 hour, we could take that. Okay? Because we didn't break the lows yet, so we have some room to push down here. I believe we have room to come down to around 2308.8. Last time the 4 closed below here, what happened? Okay, last time the 1 closed below 23.11. What did we do? What did we do? What did we do? Most of the time we just fill the range down before we even... That's crazy. Every time we've just filled the range down. Huge stop. So yeah, that is true. Chat, I'm going to be back in 2 seconds. Yeah, literally 2 secs. I'll be back. You man accounting again. Classic. Chat, yeah, we're just filling these fucking ranges. I can't lie. Yeah, man. Interesting. If it respects the previous 30-minute high, then you can put your stops above there or on this new high. Yeah, you could. It's just that... I suppose you could, yeah. Let me see. There is the wick. No wick entry for us though, chat, because we came down first, right? Robbie, can you resend it, bro? My bad. I just people counted a shitload. It's completely gone off my charts, off my chat. Yeah, we have room to. Yeah. Is that it? No. Sorry, chat. Give me a second. I'm just doing some fucking. Actually, I'm not gonna say sorry. Take it back. Kind of getting an insight here into how I do my analysis. I'm just marking off areas here that we could we could potentially have room to go until. Right. Thing is, chat, the first rejection area is 7 pips away. I think we do need to tap 2309. Okay, chat. Yeah, sure. Let's take it. I think I just had to do some analysis there, but let's I'm gonna have a sell stop on the break of this current 30-minute candle low, right? So that's gonna be at around 2310.9, I think it is. Unless if we break this high right now, I'm gonna take it off. That might be the shortest sell stop ever. If we break that high, I'll have to delete it because then we can't use the stops. Okay. We need to respect that 30-minute high there, otherwise I will take it off. So I have, yeah, sell stops not activated, but it looks like it's about to break that high. Otherwise, it doesn't make the trade invalid, right? But it makes the stops go from like 26 pips to like a million. It makes them go to, I mean, you have to use 4-hour stops at that point. Yeah, chat. We just broke that high. Let me just see. Did we just break it just to flip, or? I'm just going to watch this for 1 second. I want to see if we just broke it just to break that high, or if we broke it to actually just come down. Because if we broke it just to grab liquidity, then I'm okay with that. How time is it? Okay, chat. Chat, drop a like if you haven't already, right? There's 190 of you in here right now. That's massively appreciated. Thank you all for joining. The crazy, crazy community we got going here. And yeah, man. I think I'm gonna delete these buy stops right now though. I can't lie. I don't like the way that we're breaking these highs. So deleted those just there. Doesn't mean the trade's invalid, right? But the stops are huge. So because of that, sorry, yeah, sell stops. I don't know why I said buy stops. Sell stops are deleted. Yeah, I'm actually gonna wait for the next 30-minute candle. See what it does here. 'Cause I'm intrigued. Lower time frame swing. POC. Yeah, fair play, bro. Yeah, if you haven't joined the Discord, make sure you do. Also, as well as that, similar to the Discord, we have the broadcast channel on Instagram. I'm trying to grow that because I want to do some giveaways on there. So make sure you join that, right? It's essentially somewhere where, well, on Sunday I shared a full analysis in there for free. Normally the analysis before the week is done in the Discord, but did it completely for free on the channel. So just go click on that link. But yeah, man, that's the little broadcast channel we have. It's pretty sick actually. Gonna be chatting to you guys in there, sharing my thoughts. It's another way for me to interact with you guys a little bit nicer. Bro, why did I got a notification on my phone saying Roaring Kitty just posted a photo. This GameStop guy's back at it again. Interesting. Very interesting. I'm joking. But yeah, listen, chat. There's some potential for us to keep pushing down here. It's just stops are a little bit difficult. I must say. I don't know why it just sounded like some old English fucking detective then. I must say. But nah, realistically, we need to see what happens here. I want to see how we move right now on this 30. Maybe we can get a potentially we can get like a celery play forming underneath here, or even a closure below, and then just we'll get it on the next 30. Just because the way that we're moving right now, I can't take this one. I'd like us to form some structure first. Spiffing SG, indeed, bro, indeed, indubitably. Bro wants to know now, as an attractive and fit guy like you, so the eye contact thing and perceive the reactions. Jim's joined. and diet on the online and got a pep talk from me. Your eye contact skills. Brother, you don't worry about eye contact. Just look a girl in their eye like you're talking to a fucking normal human. When he talks to you, he's looking you in your eyes, no? So just imagine a girl as a normal human. Don't put girls on a pedestal just because you're attracted to them. Doesn't mean that they're like something that you can't cast your eyes upon. Just have a normal conversation and treat them like a normal human. They value that more than anything. You come at them like a fan, like a fucking celebrity, or put them on a pedestal, then they're not gonna react well to that. Just go up and talk to them like a normal human, have some banter, do whatever you have to do, just talk. Then you'll be fine. In addition to the question, how do you know if girls are liking your eye contact, neutral to it, or hating it? Bro, you'll have they'll have signs. Like a normal human. How do you know if a normal human's like in a conversation? Like a fucking male that you're talking to, right? If you're talking to one of the boys and they're like not interested, looking around, or they get grumpy, or they act weird, you know exactly how they're acting. Same with a girl. They're not a fucking different species. It's just another person. Throw her across the room like a shot put. The eye contact, I get it, but she'll look away if she doesn't like it. And if she looks away, then you know. Or she'll come over and say, "Stop fucking staring at me," and then you go, "Okay." Hi, bro. How much spread on gold on your broker, bro? It's raw spreads, so 0. Bro, if you like a girl, just ask her out. If she says no, then move on. Yeah, 100%. That's literally fucking. That's it. You're gonna get rejected by girls. It's just part of the game. It's the law of large numbers, right? It's the same as any business. If you're going to fucking job application, you're gonna get rejected. I got rejected to loads of job applications. And don't do any of these shitty pickup lines as well. Like Ricky just said, just say, "Hi, how are you? What's your name?" I've been rejected thousands of times. Bro, Eugene. Not from what I'm hearing, mate. In fucking Greece, you're not. Journal your pickup lines. New hopes, bro. Yes, put it in the trend journal. So even a hot guy like you gets rejected, bro. Appreciate the compliment, brother, but yeah, everyone gets rejected. Asset marksman, that's a cool name, by the way. Compare girls' rejection with trading, not all will be successful. True. Robbie, you don't have to apologize, bro. All is good. I appreciate the compliment you gave me. Everything's fine. You don't have to worry. You're just asking questions. What's good, Handai? Welcome back, bro. What's good? What's good, man? Chat, drop a like if you haven't already. Appreciate it. Mom's life, I ain't ever been rejected. Man, get bag, y'all. Well, maybe you should be giving the advice then, my boy. Marx is coming with the worst pickup line of all time. It wasn't even. You were trying to be funny about Eugene, but it's not even. That's incredible. It's his eloquent vocabulary. Irresistible. Thanks, chat. Alright, chat. This is not the focus of the conversation right now. Appreciate you all very much. The 15-minute just closed. Back in the range as well. Very interesting. If a guy gets rejected, that's okay. Nothing wrong with it, even if it's like days in a row. Same as trading or sales. He's a troll, I'm convinced. Nah, I don't think so. Yeah, it's just the same, bro. Just the same. Tell girls you're funded. Maybe. Maybe. Insane, chat. Insane. Yeah, Tyler, enough of that. Chat, cool. This is one of those days, right, where you see the move and you just have to watch it play out, right? We knew for a fact. Go watch the analysis earlier. We said that 2311 is going to get tapped. And what did it do? It tapped it on the dot. Okay? We knew that, but we just had no entry. And that's okay. That's perfectly fine. You just have to understand sometimes in trading that you are going to get times where you know where price is going to go, or you expect it to go to a certain area, but you just have no entries. You have nothing that's giving you that confirmation to get in where you're, appropriately risked, and you have a high probability setup, and that's fine. You just watch it make the move. There's always going to be another setup, okay? There's always going to be another setup. There's always going to be another day in the markets. The markets aren't going anywhere, so stay patient, stay disciplined, make sure you're locked in, and yeah, come to the charts every day with a fresh mindset. No FOMO, no greed, no fear, and then you've got this, man. You're going to kill it. Leon, can you clip that for me, please? Thank you. We need to take out the lows. Wick entry is not bad. I disagree. I don't have an entry here. If you want to take it, then that's fine. We just made no structure on the way down, so yeah. Yeah, Robbie, I think Jules was just joking, my boy. It's fine. What's good, Gib? How you doing, man? Nah, just tell him you got a fat trust fund. I wish I had a fat trust fund. Tell him you're a certified 6-figure private equity manager. Yes, sir. Commodities trader. That's the one. Yeah, I'm actually in charge of risk management at Trendlines Trading. It's a new commodities firm on the block. Huge. Huge, chat. Push in here, though. Yeah, maybe we can get a 30-minute closure above the range. Little fake out action. Push further up. Only concern then obviously is the 4-hour close below, right? 30, if not, why not? Yeah, the only concern that I'm having is that the 4-hour close below the range, which is actually probably gonna, yeah, probably gonna be taking control of price. That's fine, bro. Try my best in trading. I will stick to trading only questions. Nah, Robbie, you don't need to stick to trading only questions, bro. It's fine. Fine. That was a good question. We had a good conversation about it. Don't beat yourself up about it, man. It was a good question. Be confident in the fact that you needed to ask that question. Sam, how old are you? I'm 23, my friend. I'm 23. 1 hour onion as well, tough. Yeah. It's just, yeah. It's a difficult area right now. Obviously, you have the 1 and the 4 telling you that buys are valid, sells are valid. At the same point, we've rejected off this area multiple times, so you just need to wait and see, really. There's not much I can do here. Right now, that is, at least. Retire at 30 for you, bro? Nah, I'm not going to retire. That'd be nice, though. It'd be nice to retire at 30. Get yourself down Viva Street or adult work. Jesus, bro. You heard of Harshad Mahata? No, bro. Oh, is he that billionaire? Is he the billionaire with the fat son? Oh, no. Oh, he's a fraudster. Okay, my bad. Some stockbroker and convicted fraudster. This geezer. "1992 Indian security scam made him infamous as a market manipulator." Crazy, bro was moving the markets. Manipulating that shit. Oh. Drinks in my local sound guy. Yeah, fair play. Bro, Engelbert Montgomery Humperdinck this. Yeah, bro. I know this guy. That's not his full name, though. Oh, yeah, it is. What is it? Some, like, fucking artist. I don't know. Crazy ass name. Probably start moving higher if we close above 23.14. Potentially, yeah. We started to reject here just now, though. 15 flipped, I believe, and started to push, yeah. It gets a little bit difficult here. Unless we get 15 onion sells. For sure, because yesterday's price, Wickfield, yesterday's low on the drop. It didn't yet, though. It didn't yet. You'd probably see it break the low 90% of the time. Let's see, though, chat. We've got 4 minutes to this 30-minute close here. 4 minutes. Jeez, look at that volume. Volume coming into the charts here, chat. That's good. Always a good sign. We need some clear direction now, though. That's the next thing. Clear direction. I want to go to the beach, man. I'm burning here. Bro, go to the beach then. Delete your sell stop and fucking go to the beach. Yeah, 3 minutes here. We're going to see what happens on this 30-minute close. If we don't get any positions, we'll We'll play some pixel letters and then we'll call it, right? So let's see what happens here. Very important closure. Now the beach can wait. Okay. All right. I like it. I like your work ethic. Let's see, chat. Let's see. I was even thinking about if we were a little bit higher up, I would take this. There's something that I've been working on. Essentially a 4-hour wick entry or a 1-hour wick entry. You can combine it with like a 15 onion play in the direction that you're trying to go. It works a treat, an absolute treat. But at this point, we're not. We're too close to the structure to be able to take it. But it would have been nice. But I've been loving that play recently. I can't lie. I took it yesterday twice. Sorry, once. Bro, you just said that you would not take wick entry. I did. I said I'd not take a wick entry, but I said if the 15-minute onion play formed higher up, then I'd be okay to take that. But it didn't, so I said I can't. Yes, I'm not taking a wick entry here. SG, how you doing, bro? Good morning. What's good, Far? How you doing, man? I'm very good, thanks. Yeah, I think in all honesty... How did that 15 open? Yeah, chat, I'm going to call it here. I don't like this price action whatsoever. Okay, cool, chat. So yeah, I'm going to call it there. If you did enjoy the stream, make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you are going to leave right now. We're going to play a game of pixel letters. So we're going to play the game that we play at the end of every stream. Okay, so if you want to stay for that, it's a bit of fun. Just to wind down. Then feel free to do so. If not, you're going to leave. That's fair enough. But make sure you just drop a like as payment on the way out. And subscribe if you're new, right? It's a very good community we've got here. Fucking love this community so far. I love all of you guys very, very much. Honestly, deep within my heart, I have a love for all of you guys. So I appreciate you all very much. Community is fucking incredible right now. And yeah, man. Time to play some pixel letters. Today is going to be the day I find the word. Okay, Mark, I got you. I got you. What if I just find them all before you even get a chance? Imagine if that was it. That would have been fucking incredible. What's good, Matt? How you doing, bro? WSG, appreciate it. Catch you tomorrow, Michael, in a bit. Yeah. I just do this. This is just what I do, chat. What I do. Get a few pixelized dubs here and there. Why not? All good, mate. Hope you are. Yeah, I'm chilling, man. I'm chilling. I meant to get back to you on Instagram, by the way. I just been busy as fuck. But let me I'll make sure I do that after stream, yeah. Apologies for the delay. Peter. That's crazy. No rush, mate. No drama. I appreciate it, bro. What's the word, chat? Gonna do a filler guess, I can't lie. Yeah, I knew it was a Y at the end. Last letter Y, yes sir. Yeah, what are we looking at here? Double letter middle, gotta be, yeah. I feel like it is. Very, yeah, no, I was thinking about that, but it can't be. It's gotta be, there's a dot here and a dot here, right? So it can't be that. I was thinking about that. See you in a bit, Mark. Have a good one, bro. Be gay. Oh, word. Yeah, any ideas here? Someone's got to help me out. Where are the pros at? Okay. Decay. Bro, this guy just comes in out of nowhere. Good shit, Josh. That's huge. KPRL, what's good, bro? I got a new journal coming soon as well, chat. It's gonna be huge. Good, Josh. How you doing, bro? This guy doesn't even care about the trading anymore. He pulls up just for the pixel letters. He's like a seasoned professional. He just turns up. He knows when pixel letters comes on just by the vibes in the air. He pulls into the chat. Nah. Good shit, chat. Subs. My brain's firing on all cylinders right now. I can't lie. Good shit though, chat. Appreciate you all very much. Huge, huge stuff. See, that fucking 4 hour just flipped right now. And then reflipped. Why you gotta be careful, chat, see? There's definitely no trade for us there. Good shit though, chat. Appreciate you all very, very much. That was a huge game. We absolutely crushed pixel letters right there. Make sure if you are trading New York session, you trade responsibly, all that good stuff. I'll see you all in the Discord and shit. If you need me, you know where to get me. Just shoot me a message. I reply to all of you guys, especially the ones, well, I know most of you now. But yeah, man, absolutely huge day. Be safe. Trade with protection. Yes, sir. And yeah, man, it's still the start of the week, so make sure you exercise your discipline and your patience. That's about it from me. Enjoy the rest of your day. There's going to be a YouTube video coming out later, so make sure you go check that one out. And yeah, other than that, guys, have a great day. Catch you all later. Peace out. Bye-bye. What do you guys want on? What do you want on?